To make your rosettes, this is a tube of 50 rounds on the small Addi machine, the Addi Express. And you're going to close up both ends like that. And then you're going to fold it in half and do the mattress stitch. So for that, you just lay the two ends flat like that. And you're going to work down that row and keep it even in the same row. So in this row, you're going to go behind the stitches and pull up those two. And the same thing over here. Pull up those two. And you're going to work back and forth, making sure you stay even in the same row. Two in this one. Two in this one. And you just keep going like that. All the way to the end. It doesn't have to be pulled tight yet. Now that you've gotten to the end, and you can see it's still loose here, you're going to grab that end and you're going to start to pull gently, and you'll see how it closes up. And now you can't even see where the stitches are. Then you're going to start to roll it up to sew it into a rosette. And you're just going to start turning from this end and taking these stitches as you turn. To wrap the tube around itself to make a rosette. Keep going like that. Turn and stitch. Turn and stitch. Turn and stitch. Until you have the whole thing wrapped up. And a nice little rosebud. And then I'm gonna also take a couple stitches here just to hold down that end of the tube. And I'm going to take a couple of stitches going all the way through the bottom to make it extra secure. Then I'm going to knot it with that other thread that I left hanging. And there you have a pretty little rosebud. And that's going to go on your Boonicorn. And I've got Halloween colors of purple, orange, and green. You can do whatever colors you like.